Hope you guys are doing good in YouTube world. Let's go do a little exploring. I'm in a pretty cool area. So yeah, we're gonna go up on top of that ledge. You guys can see up there. Beautiful plateau up there. Do a little exploring. So yeah, we had a bear go through our campground this morning. I'll flash up a picture. I didn't have my camera ready, so I didn't really get any good shots, but he was not too far away from us. Pretty crazy. Be nice dual sporting in this area. Lots of nice level places to ride. But check this out. This is pretty cool. I found this morning. It's almost like something out of Yellowstone. Big mountain too. Really cool. You think you're on the set for Yellowstone, I think. I'll show you guys this underground structure over here. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, let's go have a quick look here. That's pretty crazy. They even poured cement foundation. Oh yeah, neat. I don't know what it's for. You guys might have some ideas, but another entrance. Pretty neat. Cool location anyways, right at the base of these big mountains. I don't know what the name of this mountain is either. Or all of them, they're all big. Nice foundation. It'd be fun in here with the BMX. Could do some on that nice smooth cement. Right on. Look at these chairs, are pretty crazy too. Someone's pretty good at the carving, I guess. There's quite a bit of work goes into making those. I'd imagine there's a whole bunch of them over there. Really cool. Just love these electric bikes, you guys. You can just you can go so many places. You're not disturbing anybody, or you're not, you know, they're not like, don't get me wrong, my motorbikes are my life, but the electric bikes, it's a whole nother thing. You can, you know, you can go through City Park, you can go downtown. They're just so quiet, and they're still fun like a dirt bike. Like with all the suspension, you can go downhill, you can go pretty crazy on them. It's kind of the best of both worlds, in my opinion. I think traveling, ultimately, I've got a little enclosed trailer, so I'll probably bring my dual sport or my adventure bike, I don't know, one of them, and the electric bikes, and then you can really got all the bases covered. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these the electric bike vlogs. They're kind of fun. I forgot my chest mount today, that's why we're handheld. But yeah, I'll do a tour of my van here one of these days. It's a pretty cool setup, the little Class B Dodge. Can't believe how nice this area is. Let's go check out some of these big boulders. They obviously would have came down from up there, I'd imagine. A little fire went through here a couple years ago, I think. Pretty cool. Whoa, tricky handheld. Right on, you guys. I'm gonna check out this little gem I found. We're camped in the van just up the road a little bit. Pretty cool. Might come for a little dunk here later. Water's definitely a little more calm here. Ah, funny bird on the log. Beautiful spot. So yeah, that's gonna do it for me, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well out there in the YouTube world. Definitely drop some comments, hit this button if you're not subscribed. Check out my dirt bike stuff. I got lots of stuff coming. Lots of places to visit. See you on the next one.